Hey everybody, welcome back to Run and Gun. So glad you're here with me this weekend. I'm a little bit behind the curve with my welcome to 2018 video, farewell to 2017. But I am ready to rock this year. I'm ready to put out some videos, and this video is kind of going to be a little bit about that, some of my goals and milestones. I want to hear some of your guys' goals and milestones down below in the comments, and let me know what I can do to help you accomplish those goals. As you may have heard, YouTube recently released a little update that said channels under 1,000 subscribers, like mine, and under 4,000 hours of watch time this year are going to lose their partnerships and lose their monetization on all their videos. And as you may have guessed, yes, that affects me because I am under 500 subscribers, and I'm under that 1,000 subscriber limit. What does that mean for my channel? What does that mean for you guys? Absolutely nothing. I'm here for the love of photography. I'm here to teach you guys. Forget YouTube's new policies or updates. I'm staying. I'm not going anywhere because it's not about the money. It's about my love for photography and my drive and my passion to share that information with you guys and girls so you can make better photos yourself. So don't expect me to go anywhere. I'm still going to be rocking YouTube, and I'm going to be rocking 2018 right along with you. So expect new videos every weekend, just the same as it's been before. So one of my 2017 goals was to reach 500 subscribers. I fell a little bit short of that. I'm almost there now, another month later, but oh well, we're just rocking it. I don't care if I have 1 or 2 subscribers. As long as somebody out there is passionate about photography and they're getting something out of these videos, that's the entire point of this channel, is to have a space where some creative minds can get together, share some ideas, I can share some thoughts, because I learn a lot from these videos too. I do a little bit of research on top of the knowledge that I already have to make sure that even if I've been doing a process or a technique for 5 or 10 years, I haven't been doing it wrong this entire time. So as much as you guys learn from these videos, I learn as well, and I can take some extra little tidbits home with me and apply them to my own skill set and just keep getting better. So these videos are for you guys and they're for me. So thank you to everyone that's subscribed, and if you haven't, make sure you subscribe down below so you can get more videos just like this and just like my awesome lesson videos that I'm going to amp up this year. So stay tuned and make sure you hit that notification button when you subscribe so you're getting an email or a notification every time I drop a new video. Alright, so let's talk a little bit about 2018 goals and what we can do to reach those goals, whether they're photography related or not. So there's an acronym that we use all the time in the military, and we're always told to make SMART goals. Now, what are SMART goals? Well, SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. So what that means is make a goal that's specific, something that is simple, something that you know exactly when you have achieved that goal. Make it measurable or meaningful or motivating. Make a goal that you can measure milestones as you work your way towards that goal, so you know when you're making progress towards that goal. Make it an achievable goal. I'd love to make $1 million this year, but realistically, that's not really possible. I mean, it's absolutely possible, but is it something that's going to happen? Probably not. So make your goal attainable so that if you don't reach your goal, it's something that you can reassess and correct and try harder to reach it next time. Also, relevant or realistic. That kind of goes into attainable, something that's realistic. I'm probably not going to make that $1 million. But think of a goal that's relevant. Like maybe I want to have 2,000 subscribers by the end of this year. That's relevant to me. That might not be relevant to you if you don't have a YouTube channel. Maybe you want to take 20,000 photos this year. That might be a goal that's relevant to you. And lastly, time-bound. Give yourself a time limit for that goal. Otherwise, you can be working on that one goal for the rest of your life and just kind of throwing it out there. Oh, I'll do it tomorrow. I'll do it next week. I'll do it next month. Give yourself a time limit. Give yourself that stress so you can get it done. So when I started this channel back in 2017, January of 2017, I had been looking at my analytics, and when you look at your audience, you can see the breakdown of male audience and female audience who's watching your video. And some point in the middle of the year, I realized I had an audience of about 95% male and about 5% female. And I didn't think too much about it. I thought, maybe it's something I'm doing. Maybe it's the fact that I'm making videos about military photography and I'm in the military. Maybe females aren't as interested in that. My ultimate goal is to have kind of a 50-50 of male and female audience, because that's potential people that could be learning out there that I don't think I'm reaching, and I don't think I'm doing my best and I'm living up to my potential, and my channel isn't living up to that potential if I'm only reaching, if only 5% of my audience is female. So I tried making my my content a little bit more broad, strayed away from some of the military stuff, even though there's a good majority of photographers in the military that are female. We have a lot, and they're awesome. They're rocking it just as hard, if not harder, than any guy out there. Female photographers out there are winning awards and kicking guys' butts a lot of the time, because some of them have something to prove, and they're out there showing that they're just as good as any guy out there as a photographer, and I completely 110% believe that. So by the end of 2017, I did end up doubling that number, that percentage of my audience that was female. I doubled it from 5 or 6 to about 12% now, and about 88 are still male. So if any females are following this channel and you have any suggestions of what I can do to my content, or what I can add or talk about to better reach you or to better help you out with your goals in your photography, feel free to let me know down below, because I feel like I'm kind of missing the mark right now, and I'm here to help you out just as much as any guy. So that is it for my 2017 wrap up and intro to 2018. As always, subscribe down below if you like my content. I'm going to be rocking 2018 even harder than 2017. I'm not going anywhere. I still love photography. I still love making videos for you guys and girls, obviously. So make sure you guys are subscribing down below, hit that like button, and comment your goals down below. Comment some milestones that you might have. Let me know if you have any suggestions for videos. I'd love to help you with your goals, and I'd love to help you make your photography better. So until next weekend, get out and go shoot.